We're working on the bridge section of Road Song. This is the third video, and we're going to start with the left hand. So the left hand chords are E flat and B flat, and then you just move one finger to E flat, keep the E flat, and just play A instead of B flat. So that move was 2, and then it's D and A, D and A again, D and G sharp, and then D flat and G sharp, and then D flat and G, and then C and G, and then we go F sharp and C. So I'm going to do that in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. D and A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then D flat and G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. C and G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam. F sharp and C. Right hand. It's a bit complicated, so watch my fingers. It's E flat, then thumb under, right under, without bringing your elbow up, to G, B flat, D, C, A, G, F. So I'm going to put that together with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next bit. D flat, F, A flat, C, B flat, G, F, E flat. So I'll put that second line together. The left hand, D flat and G sharp. Want to add an F up there. Then the first section that we have in the previous video comes again, and then we have the outro, which is G minor chord, G, B flat and D, to C, which is G, C and E. So we're going to go like this. 2, 3, again. 2, 3, and keep doing it. I'm going to answer it with an improvisation of yours, which will be from these notes: G, B flat, C, D, F and G. So as an example, your own, and you can practice with those notes: G, B flat, C, D, F and G, and we'll work on that as well.